Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are unboxing the BoxyCharm Luxe box for the month of March. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, so cards right here. It says the theme is lucky, which makes sense for March with it having like little St. Patrick's Day in here as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive on the box. I'll read the card as it goes along and see what we get. So first thing is, first right in here is an eyeshadow palette right here. So let's go ahead and see this. This is Barbarella. This is a Barbarella eyeshadow palette by B Beauty, London. And let's go ahead and see what I can't talk today. We're gonna see what this palette looks like. Oh, okay, it's very neutral. A lot of shimmers. Like most of these are shimmers actually. I could probably count the mattes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like legit 5. What's kind of funny though, I think it's kind of funny. This green shade right here is named Dean. That's actually my dad's name. And then it's also like part of my name because I'm kind of named after him in a sense. So that's kind of cool. And the green, we both have green eyes. So that's really cool. There's not a Chad on here for my husband. It's sad, but that's okay. It says the B Beauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Meet the black book of color with subtle shades of straight up blast of color, jet milled pigments delivered intense saturation, light reflective shades with gorgeous textures plus long lasting and non-creasing silky velvety finishes. This does retail for $50. I'm not gonna swatch it. Not even sure if I'm gonna keep it. We'll see. We'll hold on to it and see if it ever piques my interest again. You would think there would be like pinks on there though, right? I thought there would be like pinks or purples, but just really not what I expected. Not what I expected. And for $50, that's a lot. Okay, so what else is in here? All right, so I'm just gonna go pick things out. So this is the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum with deep hydration and glow. I really like the little plums on here. That's really cute. So it says Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. This retails for $42. It's not a bad price for like skincare, honestly. I mean, it's a little expensive, but Glow Recipe's on the pricier side anyway. So let me crack this open and see what we've got in here. All right, so I've got this out and oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's actually in the shape of a plum. It even has like a crease in the bottle so that it looks like a plum. Oh, that's so cute. This is adorable, like adorable. I'm just gonna see what kind of like top this is. I'm trying to twist it, but it's not doing anything. So I'm gonna pull. Oh, it's got like a little pump on it. That's so cute. Oh, this packaging alone is just adorable. Like, it's so cute. It's just like a little plum. Package couldn't just sell me on itself sometimes. I'm telling you, it could just be so cute. And a lot of the Glow Recipe stuff comes in these cute little bottles too. You know what? Even I think their pineapple serum comes in like a little pineapple. So that's kind of cool that they make the jars look like what's kind of inside of it, what ingredients are inside it. All right, so let's move on to the next thing. So next thing I've got right here, it's the AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. All right, well this is what this does look like, and it looks like it's like some thick glitter in there. Definitely gold. And it says Kiss the Stars. Let's see if it's got a scent to it. Ooh, that is pepperminty for sure. Let's see how to use this. Just interesting. It's got 24 karat gold shimmer, aloe vera gel, jojoba oil, aloe vera juice, vitamin E, vegan collagen, peppermint flavor oil, golden biodegradable glitter stars. So it says apply an even amount of mask to makeup-free lips, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then wash off lip masks with water. A tingling sensation is normal. It means it's working. And it says this 24 karat. Okay, this really. Yep, everything I just said, and this retails for $42. That's a lot for a lip mask, which I'm really interested to see if it really works. Next thing I've got right here is this. This is the Rose Quartz hair mask. Oh, this is Rose and Quartz hair mask. It says your touchstone of hair care products, the rose and quartz hair mask suits the spectrum of needs. With zero sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, and phthalates, this suits all hair types and is safe with all chemical processes, vegan and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the USA. This retails for $31. And let's see what this smells like. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I really love the smell of rose. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And it's a hair, like, the little plastic came off. This is a hair mask. So I'm really kind of excited to use this because my hair's been feeling a little dry lately. And this seems to have like a nice like little slip to it in the conditioner. It smells really good. Really, really good. It says love unconditionally on the side of this. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. You leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and you rinse it out. So simple. Gosh, this smells so good. So good. All right, so what's this next thing? This next is the Dominique Cosmetics. This is a creamy fill-in and define lip liner. This is in the shade Crush. This is what the packaging does look like. Let's see what the product looks like. Oh, it's a very interesting shape. It's kind of got like a teardrop triangle shape to the applicator. And this is the shade Crush, and I'll swatch it really quick. And then this is the swatch for the Dominique lip pencil in Crush. Oh, this is actually really a nice shade. Like a very nice neutral. So this retails for $18. It says define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. The silky, long-lasting, demi-matte finish is so light and breathable, you'll forget you're wearing it. It did go on quite well and quite creamy. Alrighty, so the next thing in the box was my actual choice item, which I think is so funny. It was the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I did get this in shade 210. This is my summer shade. I actually went into the pop-up and actually got my winter shade, which is $185. So restocked on both of these because they were half off, so it was the price. I got 2 for the price of 1. I'm not mad at that. Y'all need to sign up for BoxyCharm because they be having some amazing sales and deals for products that are normally so expensive and end up being super, super cheap. Like I end up seeing like a lot of milk products which are quite pricey and see them in the like less than $10 range or like maybe 12. And I'm like, oh, let me get it. Duh. So we've got 2 things left in the box, so let's go ahead and check out what they are. So this is the Soleil Let Your Hair Shine. It's a mini heat brush in the shade Apricot, I'm assuming. This is what this does look like. I actually used to have a blow dryer in the shade Butterscotch, which looked quite similar to this as well. And we'll just take a quick little peek at this. Yeah, it's just like one of those like mini heat brushes with like the little bristles. It has some instructions and it does come with a little carrying case, which I think is very, very nice to tote around. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this just because my hair already lays pretty straight on its own. Sorry for that noise. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I typically will straighten my hair and sometimes I curl it, not very often. So I might give this to one of my sisters who have a little bit more frizzier hair and is a little more on the curlier side. So I'll probably save it for one of them. So let's read a little bit about it though. This is the Soleil Hair Tools. This is the mini heat brush, like I was saying. This retails for $150. That's a lot of money. I wonder how much it was for pop-up. Because I bet it on pop-up, it was probably like $30, something like that. It's always something crazy. So anyways, the mini Soleil heat brush is the perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. As a powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair, safe for all hair types, and welcome to your new favorite hair tool is what it says. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh, I'm kind of sad I won't be using it, but I know somebody who will use it, like my sisters, they will use it. All right, so the last thing in here is this cute little thing. It comes in like a little egg carton. This is from the Beauty Bakery. This is blending eggs. So I'm assuming these are like little sponges in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open and we can talk about it. Get it? Crack this open. Lord help me. The pun was not intended, but it just happened. All right, so I'm gonna slide. Let's see what this is. Okay, I'll read the card first. So this Beauty Bakery blending egg beauty sponges. It says get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on the beat. Oh my gosh. Cooked up with you in mind, blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for a seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for extraordinary caking that's hard to beat. Oh, and these retail for $18. So I wonder how many, it looks like we get 6 in here. So 6 sponges for $18. That's actually a really, really good deal. And then it says great when used on wet, complexion smoothing, get those hard to reach areas. So I just think it is so cute that it comes in this like little like egg carton container. It's just adorable. Oh, look how cute they are. And it's just 6 little sponges. I kind of wish they were all different colors, but whatever, it doesn't matter. But they're really cute. You got like a nice like seafoam turquoisey blue here and a cute little pink. Oh, these are just super, super cute. I don't know if I want to keep them in here or not, or put them in the, I have like this like big jar of sponges, so I don't know if I want to, hey, they kind of match this too. Pink to like blue. That's cute. I got this at Home Goods. I love it. It was just so pretty, I just had to buy it. I did. So, all right, well, this completes my box. I'm gonna go ahead and add up everything and tell you guys how much it all cost. And yeah, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I went ahead and added up my box and I came to a total of $423. That's how much my box was worth. I only paid $50 with it being the Boxy Luxe month. The Boxy Luxe is only every 3 months, so it is seasonal. And you do get a few extra products, and you typically do get more choice options as well. I definitely only really remember picking this out. I probably picked something else out and don't really remember, but I definitely remember picking out my foundation because I was like, I'm gonna hop on that real quick. Wasn't missing that opportunity. But anyways, this completes today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.